In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic intro. Okay, a lot of creators out there are finding it difficult to create a cinematic intro, and in this video I'm going to show you. I'm going to break down everything step by step for you, okay, with just your smartphone and editing app. Okay, so let's get started now. So if you are new in this channel, I'm Miracle Update. In this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video look professional. Okay, so if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. We are going to use YouCut. This is YouCut here. So click on the app, then click on plus icon and new project. Okay, so import the picture you want to work with. Okay, if it's a video you want to use to create the intro, then import the video. If it's a picture, then import it. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to use picture. Okay, so I'll just select a random picture. Yeah, so this is the picture I want to use. So then I'll tap on the picture. Okay, I'll tap on it to decrease the duration. So the duration should be about 0.9 or 1. So I'll, okay, sorry, let's leave it at 1 point. Okay, 1 second is okay. Then click on this double check mark here to add it to all the picture clip. Okay, so you can see at the end of the picture and the beginning of another picture, you can see that there's no white something to add and transition. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to increase the duration so that the transition icon will be available. Okay, so let's leave it 1.5. Okay, so have you seen that it has been enabled? So you click on that little arrow. Let's add a transition. Okay, okay, this transition should be okay. Then apply to all. Okay, so this is it. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just adding a random picture. Okay, so just to show you how to do this. So then after doing this, then you save it, save your work. Alright, so it's done downloading. Then click on the home icon. Let's work another project. Okay, so now we are going to import the first picture to check out the size. Then go to material and click on the black screen. Once you add it, then click on this delete the picture that we use for the size. Then this black screen, we are going to increase the duration to 9.9. Okay, so after doing this, then let's add the text that we want to face in the intro. Okay, so I'll just write epic. Okay, so I will now increase it. Yeah, this is okay. Then I'll click on here to increase it to the video end, then save. Yeah, so it's done saving. Then click on this home icon here, click on the plus icon, new project. Then firstly import the video, the main video. Okay, which is this one. Then after doing that, then we are going to import the epic. Okay, in the black screen with pip. Okay, so we are going to overlay it. Are you seeing it? We are going to overlay it. Then slide to fill in the screen. Then go to blend, click on blend, darken. Okay, so once you done that, click on the check mark, then use your finger to increase it. I see what I'm doing, so increase it to the highest. Okay, so this is okay. Then add a keyframe from the beginning. then move slowly. Move to the end, then decrease the size. Decrease the size. So do that carefully, okay? Alright, so this is okay. Once you are done with that, click on this curve here. Then click on this cubic. Okay, so this is the one we want. Yeah, so this cubic is perfect. Alright. So click on the check mark. Then let's play the video now. Can you see it? Can you see? This is awesome. So let me increase the speed of the video. Alright, so can you see it? This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. So this is how you can create your cinematic intro with just your smartphone editing app. Okay, so if you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more content tips like this. Okay, and I would like you to state the next video you would like to watch next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.